What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and y'all already know I gotta bring y'all everything I create and just do a quick little video for y'all. So this is going to be like a head bow for one of my clients. She wanted the outfit with the matching bow, so let's get right into it.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Wake up for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Okay, y'all, so I found some of this fabric at Hobby Lobby for like $3, and it's about 6 inches long and about 13 inches wide. So I'm just sewing down each side of my fabric after I folded it together, because I'm going to add like a little bit of polyfill in the inside to give the bow a little more fluffiness. And this is how it looked, and I noticed that it was going to be too big, so I ended up cutting it in half and just sewing down the sides again, because she is 1 year old, or is she 2? But either way, the bow was just too long for, her head. So I ended up cutting that in half, and I'm doing the same thing. It's looking like a little pillowcase. For my pictures, I just used my Silhouette Studio app on my computer to just print this out on my printer. And it's like a regular HTV print, and you just add it to the fabric just like you would do like a t-shirt or something like that. Some people use DTF prints, but I just went with the HTV for this. So I ironed those on, and then I added my polyfill. And then I didn't want it to be too fluffy, but I did want to give the bow, an extra look, and I felt like the polyfill gave it exactly what I needed. So I'm just putting it together to see, if it's thick enough, and then I'm going to fold down the open side with a straight stitch, and make sure you go back and forth a little bit just so it won't come out. So after we have everything sewn down, I'm just looking at some different fabrics to see, what'll look good in the middle. And I tried that pink, and I didn't really like that, so I just ended up going with a different fabric to wrap around the center of my bow to make it look, better. So what I ended up doing is adding a rubber band to the middle just to hold it together to see how it'll look. And then I cut out my band. And this is the same band that I normally use. It's like a waistband. So I sewed it down with a zigzag stitch, and the band is about 12 inches. So once I sewed it down, I just put my bow like where the sewn part was, where the zigzag stitch was. And I tried to sew it down, y'all, which I did, but I broke my needle trying to do this, and it wasn't even hard. But I did not want it to come off. So if you have a heavier duty sewing machine, that'll be good. But, we working with a budget, baby. This is the fur that I had left over from her skirt. And I was like, oh, it'll be cute if I add it to the bow. So I just got my glue gun, and I added it around the bow. And look how cute this is, y'all. Like, I love it. You can see like the Minnie Mouse on the front, and I have like one on the back, and you can't even tell that I heat pressed that on. But I love how this came out, and y'all, this was my first time even making a bow like this. The outfit got so much love on Instagram and Facebook, so I appreciate y'all for tapping in with me on TikTok, like everywhere, y'all. Thank y'all so much. Please continue to follow my journey, because I'm only getting better. And I'm going to attach like some other kid outfits that I did right here to see what you guys think, because I don't have a tutorial for each one, but I do have tutorials, so you guys can definitely check that out, and I'll link them below. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Help your girl get up. We on the road to 5K. So please subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Mwah.